Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, let's get started by finding the cruise control buttons, typically located on the right side of your steering wheel. To begin, simply press the on/off button. You'll notice a green indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the system is now ready for use. This initial step is quick and easy, setting you up for a more relaxed drive. Once the system is active, accelerate your Outlander to the speed you wish to maintain. When you reach your desired speed, press the Set button. Your vehicle will then automatically hold this speed, allowing you to remove your foot from the accelerator pedal. This feature is perfect for long stretches of highway, helping to reduce driver fatigue and maintain a consistent pace without constant pedal input. You can easily adjust your set speed. To increase your speed by 1 mile per hour, press Set Plus. To decrease it by 1 mile per hour, press Set. If you need to resume a previously set speed after braking, simply press Res Plus. Holding down either the Set Plus or Set button will allow for quicker adjustments, changing your speed in larger increments for convenience. There are several ways to deactivate cruise control. For a temporary disengagement, simply press the Cancel button. The system will pause, but your set speed remains in memory. Applying the brakes will also immediately disengage the system. To completely turn off cruise control, press the on/off button again. This ensures you have full control whenever you need it, providing safety and flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.